Hey everybody, Professor Davis here from ChemSurvival.com, YouTube channel Chem Survival, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a product that's on everybody's mind, hand sanitizer. These little products right here have been flying off the shelves in most areas of the United States. They're almost impossible to find, and there have been some recipes proposed online for folks that say, you know what, you can use a little bit of glycerin mixed with some rubbing alcohol to create a solution that is very similar to these hand sanitizer products and works just as well. And that's fantastic until you go to the store and you realize that they're all out of rubbing alcohol because everyone's bought that up in an effort to get their hands on some antiseptic. So what's left? How can you make yourself some hand sanitizer when you're missing the key ingredient in hand sanitizer? Well, I'm going to give you a solution right now to that problem. And that is, we don't have to use isopropanol, which is in rubbing alcohol. There is another alcohol that is equally effective in killing bacteria and many viruses. And that's actually in the active ingredients list for this particular hand sanitizer right here. And that's ethyl alcohol. So you may ask yourself, where am I going to find ethyl alcohol strong enough to make a solution that's at least 60% alcohol by volume? Now, there have been lots of videos out there on the internet that suggest that you could pour just a typical bottle of tequila or vodka on your hands as a hand sanitizer. Those are patently false. Those products are about 40% ethanol by volume, and the problem is that you need at least 60% alcohol by volume for one of these products to be effective at killing bacteria and viruses on your hands. So what you need to do is head down to your local store and purchase yourself one of these. This is what's known as grain alcohol. Unlike most other spirits, grain alcohol is distilled to be as pristine as possible, just pure ethanol and water. That's it. So ethyl alcohol and water and nothing else. No flavor components, no esters, no nothing. They aren't barrel aged, they don't have lots of other molecules in them giving them any particular type of flavoring. Now the other thing you need to be sure of when you're buying your grain alcohol here is that it's 151 proof. Now, 151 proof means that this product is 75.5% alcohol by volume. So this product right here is strong enough to actually kill bacteria and some viruses. So what we need to do is take our alcohol mixture, whatever it is we're able to get a hold of. We're going to take about 50 milliliters of that, add about a milliliter of glycerin to it so that we don't dry our hands out. And if we are interested in having maybe a little bit of essential oil in there to give it some fragrance, we can do that, totally optional. And then simply put it in a little sprayer bottle here, give it a shake, and we have got hand sanitizer product exactly like the one that you can buy in the store.